Fishing is a way of life in the Burdekin, and it helps to drive the region's economy. NQ Dry Tropics partners with a range of organizations in order to improve water quality, fish habitat, and the health of the waterways and wetlands within our region. We work with TropWATER to conduct electrofishing surveys using their specialized vessel.
So electrofishing is one way we can sample fish communities in these freshwater river systems in North Queensland. We want to see what sort of diversity of fish we have living in the rivers and creeks on the floodplain. We're looking at the kinds of fish that would be here, representing how healthy the environment is, the size of the fish, and whether the species of fish we've caught today need to move between the estuary and the freshwater. I would expect today to probably get in the order of about 20 different species of fish, and that would sort of suggest that the system's alive and looking pretty well. There's not just fish here, we have about 2 or 3 species of freshwater turtles. There are a whole range of crustaceans, as well as our freshwater and estuarine crocodiles. So this vessel we're working with today is an electrofishing vessel. It's custom made. What that allows us to do is to safely operate in these freshwater areas, using the mechanics on the vessel to put electricity into the water. We start off very low. We don't want to interfere and affect the fish too much. But we can adjust the settings just enough to keep the fish coming in, allow us time to process them. We then allow them to recover before we safely release them back into the environment and they swim off nicely. So that whole process could take several minutes. The fish is on board and then back into the water and safely swimming off. We've just finished our first survey, and we're going through processing the fish now. Adam's pulling out the different species here, so we'll go through and measure those.
This is a bony bream that is 220 mils. So this one with the long jaws is a long tom.
This is a predatory species. It has a long snout with sharp teeth.
285.
It swims across the surface of the water, and this guy is looking for various insects and small fish that he can jump out and predate on. This one's a rainbow fish. This is a very common species of fish we find in North Queensland waterways. Okay, so this is our barramundi. This is our species that we're here to look for today. This individual can grow up to in the order of over a metre in size. Huge species, very targeted species for commercial, also recreational targeted. And this is the species that we know move between freshwater and estuarine areas.
And this individual is 405 mils long. And up he goes.